Guys, welcome back to Measure Master. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Fluke 101 digital multimeter. This is one of the most popular and budget-friendly models from Fluke, and we're excited to see what it has to offer. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Fluke 101 is its compact and lightweight design. It's perfect for technicians and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and portable multimeter. The build quality is top-notch, with a durable body that can withstand rough usage and falls. Features. Despite its small size, the Fluke 101 has some impressive features. It has a maximum voltage rating of 600 volts, which is more than enough for most applications. It also has a continuity buzzer, a diode test, and a data hold function. The LCD display is large and easy to read, even in low light conditions. Accuracy and performance. One of the most important aspects of a multimeter is its accuracy, and the Fluke 101 doesn't disappoint. It has a basic DC accuracy of 0.5%, which is pretty good for a budget model. It also has a fast response time, and the readings are stable and consistent. We tested it with various electrical circuits, and it performed flawlessly. Ease of use. The Fluke 101 is very user-friendly, even for beginners. The controls are simple and easy to navigate, and the manual is clear and concise. We also appreciate the auto-ranging feature, which makes it easier to get accurate readings without having to adjust the settings manually. Price and value. The Fluke 101 is one of the most affordable multimeters from Fluke, and it offers excellent value for money. For its price, you're getting a reliable and accurate tool that can handle most basic electrical measurements. We highly recommend it for technicians and DIY enthusiasts who are on a budget. Overall, the Fluke 101 digital multimeter is a great tool for anyone who needs a compact, reliable, and accurate multimeter.